Hi everybody, welcome back to Rational Code. In this video, we are going to be taking a look and learning how to create a new project in IntelliJ Community Edition. So go ahead, click on the desktop icon for IntelliJ, and once this loads, go ahead and create a new project. This will lead to this screen right here where you have a couple different options of choosing how to make a project. What we're going to be doing is learning how to just do a basic Java project. We're going to get into Java FX and all these in later videos, but for now just go ahead and click Java. So now you want to choose your SDK for this project. We talked about that in a previous video. So all your detected SDKs will pop up here. You can add a JDK if it's not detected down here, and you can download a JDK straight from the IDE. In this case, we're going to be using Java 14, so click on that. Go ahead, click Next. We want to create a project from the template. You'll see what this does in a second, but go ahead and just check that off. And it's just going to be a simple Java application. Go ahead, click Next. Give it a name. I'm just going to call this Test. You want to choose a location for your project too. So click these three dots right here. Then it's going to lead you to a folder that was made for your projects called IDEA projects. What I like to do though is I like to keep them in a specific folder. For me, it's under programming, and I keep that through my users. And then I usually keep my programming codes inside OneDrive. So for my case, I'm going to go to OneDrive. I'm going to go to desktop. I'm actually just going to create a new folder on the desktop, and typically what you want to do is you want to name it the same as your project. So I'm just going to call this test. So what this does is it creates a new folder specific for your project. You can always choose to put your project in any other place. You can put it in documents, you could put it in any specific folder that you make, or really anywhere. It just, you have to play around with it too. You can put it right in program files. You can do whatever you want. So once you have chosen a location for it, just go ahead and click OK, and then finish. So just give it a second to load. And this is a brand new Java project. When we made the project from template, it automatically made the main class, which we're going to talk about later too, as well as included the package for the project and a space to write your code. You also get a tip of the day when you make your project. You can disable this if you want. You can scroll through them if you'd like to, but I'd usually just close it out. Sometimes you'll also get this too. This is just Windows basically asking, does it have permission to properly build your product? In this case, just hit Fix, Configure Automatically, and just click on Yes. And here, right here, is all your components. So everything is under Project, and these are just some sources and your XML file and everything. But under the source folder and com.company, we have our classes. And like I said, we're going to talk more about classes in future videos, but this is all we really need to know for now. You have your external libraries, your SDK right here, and if you ever want to add more external libraries, you can. And when we get to Java FX, we are going to be learning how to add the Java FX external library into the project. So if we minimize this, we can go into the folder, and we can see right here that this has the source folder, the file right here, the IML file, and the IDEA, the dot for IntelliJ right there. That's just an ending for the codes. Then you can just close out this. It's just some notifications. It doesn't really matter. And yeah, that's basically it, how to create a project in IntelliJ. Also, if you don't want any of this here, you can just click on project on the side right there and just minimize it. But other than that, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and in the next video we are going to be learning how to create your first Java application.